So, good morning, sir. I am Brian Zapra, and today I'm going to talk about current DRRM challenges in Cotabato City includes policy implementation, implementation issues such as capacity gaps and fragmented resources, as well as the need for increased awareness and training on disaster risk reduction. So, isa na dito ang climate changes exacerbates like di na magandang climate sa ating lugar, and these issues leading to more frequent and intense weather related events. And isa na rin dito ang inadequate infrastructure like kakulangan ng mga building roads and iba pa, and limited access to basic services like healthcare and education, and high poverty levels in certain areas that increase vulnerability. So dahil sa kahirapan, naging vulnerable ang kanilang pamumuhay, like the state of being easily hurt, influenced, or attacked either physically or emotionally. So yan na yung meaning ng vulnerability. So dito naman tayo sa elaboration. Policy implementation gaps. Mainstream DRRM and the local level is hampered by policy implementation challenges impacting the effectiveness of disaster risk reduction. And the next one is resource fragmentation. So a lack of coordinated resources and fragmented funding mechanism can hinder effective disaster response and recovery. So the next one is lack of interagency coordination. Government agency and stakeholders can lead to delays and inefficiencies in disaster response. And the next one is capacity and training. Technical capacity gaps, insufficient technical expertise and skill in disaster risk management are hindering effective planning, implementation, and monitoring of the DRRM programs. The next one is lack of awareness and training. Limited awareness and training on disaster risk management among local communities and disaster managers can compromise preparedness and response. And the last one, hindi pa pala last. And the next one is need for skill development. There is a need to enhance the skill of local disaster managers and community members in areas such as warning system, emergency response, and disaster recovery. And the last one is climate change impacts. Increased frequency and intensity climate change is leading to more frequent and intense weather-related events such as typhoon, floods, and droughts, increasing the risk of disaster in Cotabato City. So, yun na po, sir. Thank you.